Alright, hey guys. A lot of people asked me to do this tutorial for police siren. So, I'll tell you how to do it the way I learned it. It's really, really simple. I learned it in like 30 minutes. Alright, so, you make a really, really high pitched sound like whoop, 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 and you make your mouth like that. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And then, once you make a really high pitched sound with your lips like that, close your teeth and it should sound like whoop, whoop, whoop. It's a little bit different. But then you pull your teeth all the way down at the bottom of your lip, which is like right here, all the way down, and then it should sound like that's what it should sound like at first. And then when you get that sound, make a higher sound like, and it should work like that. And then when you get that sound, the second sound, make a higher sound and then put rhythms in it, as in like stop and then do it like. And then when you learn how to do that, just make it into the siren, which is really simple. It's like. That's basically it. So, thank you. Hope you like it.